rock lab experiment, a crystal rockin', a big crystal rockin' experiment, what made by sugar. Who would totally make a thing by sugar? Are you serious? Hi. Dissolve means when you put a powder into like a cup or something, like let's just say a cup or let's just say a pan in a pan. And then you put liquid in, and then when you swirl it around, the powder breaks apart, and then you can't see it anymore. That's what dissolve means. Dissolve means. Here, I'm gonna dissolve right now. Okay, now I'm gonna put the powder in. I mean sugar.
You gotta stir it up.
Okay, now I'm gonna stir it up so it doesn't get all mixy. Now I'm gonna stir it up so it can dissolve. Okay, look at it. It's breaking apart. See? It's breaking apart. See? It's like you can't see it that much. You can only see a little bit. See?
It's hard though, huh? It's hard to get it to break down.
Yes, but it's a little hard to break down sugar so it can dissolve.
While it's boiling?
While it's boiling.
Cool. So why don't you add a little bit and I'll stir it.
Okay. I'm going to add a little bit, but it's going to be...
Pour a little bit. Don't get crazy on me.
That was a little bit, right?
That was a way a little bit. Here.
We have to keep stirring and boiling it, and we have to get it to 240 degrees.
250 degrees.
Oh, 250 degrees, but we have to let it cool down because if we put it in the jar, then it will break. Look at our stick. It's in the jar thing. What do you? Oh yeah, the lid. It's in the lid, and we have to pour the sugar water in, and then it's gonna. What happens when the sugar water thing?
Is it gonna make some kind of rock crystal or something?
Yeah, it's gonna make some kind of rock crystal.
Wow.
And then it's gonna. Maybe we're gonna be done.
Maybe.
Yeah.
We'll have to see, huh?
Yeah, we have to see if we're done. Then it'll be, complete. We put the stick in there, and we put the stick in there, and then it looks like, and now it looks like some bubbles are coming out of some of the stick, and the stick is inside the sugar water, and the sugar water is kind of orangey. Do you see that?
Yeah.
It's really cool, and because it has a bunch of bubbles in it, but we can't let the stick touch the water. We don't know why, but we can't let it touch the water.
What do you mean touch the water? It's in the water.
No, I meant in the jar, on the bottom.
Touch the glass.
And touch the glass. We can't let it touch the glass.
Well, we'll find out, I guess, in a couple days.
Hi, it's me, Rocky. This is my second episode. And the second episode is about the crystal in the jar. And now crystals are forming in the jar, and they're forming in the crystals are big. Are going to turn big. We think it's going to turn big.